Have you ever wondered why some startups succeed while others fail miserably? Could the secret be in the methodology they adopt? Welcome to the world of Lean Startup, a groundbreaking concept introduced by Eric Ries that revolutionizes traditional entrepreneurial thinking. This innovative approach is all about reducing waste, learning swiftly from failures, and making customer feedback the cornerstone of your strategy. It's also about continuous improvement and iteration, rather than sticking rigidly to a business plan that may become outdated as market dynamics shift. Imagine you're launching a new product. Instead of spending years perfecting it behind closed doors, a lean startup would quickly create a minimum viable product, or MVP. This MVP is then shared with early customers, their feedback collected, and the product refined. It's a cycle of build, measure, learn, and improve. The Lean Startup methodology offers a systematic and innovative approach to building and growing a business. Let's delve deeper. At the heart of the Lean Startup methodology is the build, measure, learn feedback loop. This loop starts when you build a basic version of your product, often referred to as a minimum viable product, or MVP. But the process doesn't end there. It's crucial to measure how customers respond to the MVP. This is where tools for data analysis come in handy, helping you understand the user's interactions with your product. A prime example of this is Dropbox. They launched with a simple video demonstration of their product to gauge interest. The video went viral and generated thousands of signups, validating their idea. This leads us to the concept of validated learning, which involves testing assumptions through experiments. For instance, a food delivery startup might run small tests to determine the most effective marketing channels. In essence, validated learning and the build, measure, learn loop are crucial in ensuring your business is on the right track. The Lean Startup methodology emphasizes learning as quickly as possible, and the tool for this rapid learning, the minimum viable product. The minimum viable product, or MVP, is the most stripped-down version of your product that still allows you to gather meaningful feedback. It's about learning quickly, testing your ideas, and adapting based on real customer interactions. Consider Instagram. It started as a basic photo-sharing app with minimal features, focusing on its core value proposition. This simplicity allowed Instagram to quickly gauge user reactions and evolve accordingly. Now let's talk about pivoting or persevering. This is where you make a significant strategic shift based on what you've learned or stick with your initial vision if the data supports it. Remember Twitter? It began as a podcast platform called Odeo. But when Apple's iTunes dominated the market, they made a pivot, transforming into the microblogging platform we know today. Knowing when to pivot or persevere is a critical decision that can make or break a startup. The Lean Startup methodology is all about continuous improvement. And a key strategy for this is continuous deployment. What is continuous deployment, you ask? It simply means regularly releasing new features and improvements to your product. This approach allows you to respond quickly to customer feedback and make data-driven decisions. Take Amazon, for instance. They deploy new code to their website every few seconds. Yes, you heard it right, every few seconds. This rapid deployment facilitates continuous innovation and improvements to their services. Their agility in implementing changes and improvements is a direct result of this strategy. It's like a never-ending cycle of enhancement, always striving for better, always keeping the customer at the heart of the operation. The Lean Startup methodology provides a groundbreaking approach to entrepreneurship, transforming the way businesses are built and grown. It's not just about starting a business, it's about sustaining it.